The emergence of the fourth industrial revolution is fundamentally changing the way we live, work, and relate to one another. We are witnessing several emerging technologies breakthrough, such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and blockchain, to name a few. You will all agree that the complexity of emerging technologies across sectors imply that stakeholders have a responsibility to work together to better understand and adapt to these trends. I am fully committed to bring Mauritius into the league of high-income countries, thus translating essential benefits to the day-to-day of each and every citizen of this country. This is reflected already in the positive changes we are noting in our main economic indicators. Our GDP is forecast to grow by 4.1% in 2018-19, with financial services growing at a comparatively faster rate of 5.5% vis-à-vis other traditional and emerging sectors. Unemployment is constantly declining, while private investment and foreign direct investment are on the rise. And put together, this demonstrates a high level of confidence in doing business in Mauritius. We have equally rolled out a strategy to further improve the ease of doing business in the country. My aspiration is to transform Mauritius into the most innovative and technologically enabled country in this part of the world. The fundamental building blocks to achieve this ambition have been laid, and it is in this spirit that I announced a number of key measures relating to financial technology, innovation, and artificial intelligence in my budget earlier this year. I am confident that the financial services and technology will go hand in hand to further sustain our growth. We are fully conscious that our achievements shall not only be measured by the amount of wealth created, but most importantly, it shall be about inclusiveness, sustainability, and of course, job creation.